This is the town and little house, garden, flower, respective. I compare to Rome. Sure, of course, this village is a paradise without traffic, and maybe the people is typical. A little bit racist from provinciali, how do you say, restricted mentality. Who are you? What's your job? What are you doing? Who's your father? Who's your mother? You know, in the country, the roots of that family is the country, and work the agriculture, but the son, the niece, the nephew take a degree. As people like to work Pacific and stay relaxed. Part 2, Roseto.